The thermoscientific Nicolet RaptIR FTIR microscope is an advanced, highly adaptable platform designed to rapidly visualize, identify, and analyze the smallest, most complex samples with exceptional precision. Designed for busy labs involved in unknown contaminant analysis, from materials research to QA and QC, the Nicolet RaptIR delivers fast, consistent results with an intuitive, easy-to-use hardware and software workflow fit for users at any experience level. Flexible configurations, modular add-ons, and scalable upgrades make it a smart investment today that's ready to evolve with your needs tomorrow. The Nicolet RaptIR combines speed with precision and repeatability by correlating high-definition optical microscopy with powerful FTIR spectroscopy. Identify unknown materials, contaminants, defects, and inconsistencies down to a few microns in a matter of minutes, not hours. Transmission, reflection, and ATR modes deliver definitive material characterization across a wide range of applications, from polymers and electronics to pharmaceuticals, environmental analysis, forensics, and more. Exceptional spectral signal-to-noise ratio delivers the sensitivity needed for confident answers. The Nicolet RaptIR's technology is trusted for research and development, material characterization, failure analysis, and QA and QC. Configure the RaptIR microscope as a powerful standalone FTIR system, or expand its capabilities by integrating with thermoscientific Nicolet Apex or IS-50 FTIR spectrometers, and more. Designed for both simplicity and performance, the RaptIR combines intuitive workflows with advanced sampling modes, making even the most complex samples easier to analyze, from microscopic particles to large, bulky objects. Analyze irregular, layered, or fragile samples with minimal sample preparation, preserving sample integrity while accelerating your workflow. As your needs evolve, so can your system. Enhance performance with modular accessories like a germanium micro ATR, diamond micro ATR, or grazing angle objective, giving you the flexibility to extend capabilities whenever you need it. Support single detector setups for routine analysis, or scale up to automated multi-detector configurations for enhanced flexibility and range. Powered by thermoscientific Omnic Paradigm software, the Nicolet RaptIR FTIR microscope delivers an integrated, easy experience from setup to insight. Intuitive workflows, smart automation, and advanced data visualization simplify complex analysis, helping users of all skill levels generate fast, confident results. From acquisition to interpretation, Omnic Paradigm software streamlines FTIR microscopy so you can focus on discovery, not complexity. Discover an FTIR microscope engineered for speed, precision, flexibility, and ease of use, empowering every user in your lab. With its adaptable design and advanced performance, the thermoscientific Nicolet RaptIR FTIR microscope grows with your routine and research needs, helping you solve today's challenges and pursue tomorrow's discoveries. Maximize your FTIR microscopy without compromise with the thermoscientific Nicolet RaptIR FTIR microscope. To learn more, visit thermofisher.com/RaptIR.